Most people think the most awkward part of a conversation is the silence. They're wrong. The most awkward part is that desperate look in your eyes when you're searching for something, anything to say, and coming up empty. We've all been there, staring at a stranger or a colleague, feeling the pressure build up, until you eventually retreat to your phone like it's a life raft. But what if I told you that the world's best conversationalists aren't actually good at talking? They just use a different operating system. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete that social anxiety and never hit a dead end in a conversation again. 1. Stop being an interviewing machine. The biggest mistake you're making is asking closed questions. What's your job? Where do you live? Do you like it here? That's not a conversation, that's an interrogation. Instead, use curiosity spikes. Imagine someone mentions, "I've been doing a lot of cycling lately." The average person says, "Oh, cool. Do you have a nice bike?" Conversation death. Instead, you ask, "What's the most beautiful route you've ever ridden?" Or, "Is cycling a way for you to clear your head, or is it more about the physical challenge?" See the difference? You aren't asking for facts, you're asking for feelings and experiences. People could talk about their feelings for hours. 2. The echo technique. Active absorption. You don't run out of things to say because you lack ideas. You run out because you aren't harvesting the information the other person is giving you. Most people are just waiting for their turn to speak. But if you actually listen, every sentence they say has multiple hooks you can grab. If they say, "I cycled 50 miles this weekend, but I'm paying for it today because my legs are destroyed," you have 3 paths. The distance, 50 miles. The weekend, what else they did. The struggle, the physical pain or the discipline it took. Stop rehearsing your next line. Just pick a hook and follow it. 3. Here's the part most people get wrong. Confidence is being okay with the pause. When the conversation stops for a few seconds, don't panic. Don't blurt out something random just to fill the air. Just smile, take a breath, and let the moment exist. Oftentimes, if you don't rush to fill the silence, the other person will offer up something even deeper. 4. Stop performing. The reality is, you don't need a perfect story or a clever response to be a great communicator. Pay attention, follow what genuinely interests you, and give the other person room to speak. When you do that, conversation stops being something you have to perform and becomes something you simply participate in.